On January 18, 2012, a series of coordinated protests occurred against two proposed laws in the United States, the Stop Online Piracy Act and the Protect IP Act. These were a follow-up to smaller protests in late 2011. Protests were based on concerns that the bills, intended to provide more robust responses to copyright infringement arising outside the United States, contained measures that could cause great harm to online freedom of speech websites and Internet communities. Protesters also argued that there were insufficient safeguards in place to protect sites based upon user-generated content. The move to a formal protest was initiated when some websites, including Reddit and the English Wikipedia, considered temporarily closing their content and redirecting users to a message opposing the proposed legislation. Others, such as Google, Mozilla, and Flickr, soon featured protests against the acts. Some shut completely, while others kept some, or all of their content accessible. According to protest organizer, FightForTheFuture.org, over 115,000 websites joined the Internet protest, making it, at the time, the largest single-day Internet protest in history. By January 20, 2012, the political environment regarding both bills had shifted significantly. The bills were removed from further voting, ostensibly to be revised to take into consideration the issues raised, but according to the New York Times, probably shelved following a flight away from the bill. Opposers noted the bills had been indefinitely postponed, but cautioned they were not dead, and would likely return.